Hello, welcome to another Dr. Pi video. Been away for a bit, so yep, good to be back. Just getting back into my Raspberry Pi CNC project. As you can see, I've made a couple of alterations to my Solidworks model here. What I'm going to do is make it substantially stronger and stiffer. I've ordered some SBR16 rails which are going to support the bed, and these are on order. I've put them into the model, so I'm going to build it axis by axis. So once I've got the bed fixed in and secure, I'll attach the motor, and I'll probably order a longer lead screw as well. I'm just looking at buying a 500mm lead screw. Once I've tested that axis with the Raspberry Pi, proved that the Adafruit hat can control that motor successfully, I'll move on to the next axis. I'm going to leave the Z-axis until the end, partly because that's going to be the most difficult, I think. So yeah, just a quick update. I'll let you watch this, and I'll post a few renderings that I've done so far. Really, I'm sourcing parts at the moment and doing a bit of research on the Protoneer hat, Protoneer, and the Gerbil controller. So yeah, I'll be back shortly with some more updates.
La la